Let me show you how you can change Snapchat group name in this video. So let's start the video. Once we open Snapchat in the phone, we need to come to the chat screen. Next, we need to tap and hold the Snapchat group in which we need to change the name. In the menu, we need to click More tab to continue with the video. And here, we need to click Edit Group Name tab. In this pop-up screen, we can type in the new name for the Snapchat group and save the changes. And done, you can see my Snapchat group name has been changed from Media Time to Style Time Media. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to the channel.